This is Mr. V. Welcome to this video series on distance on Earth. This video is going to be on how to calculate the length of a day. Now we all know that the Earth spins around the Sun, going one full circle around the Sun every year. And because of that, at different times during the year, parts of the Earth get more or less sunlight. So on this side of the Earth, on this side of the Sun, the south side of the world gets more sunlight. On this side of the Sun, the north side gets more sunlight. And the other sides would have less sunlight during that day. Now to actually calculate this accurately is a big job, but we do have some rules for the shortest day and the longest day. Now this only works for any degrees latitude of smaller than 66.5. So above that, we're in the polar circles, and these places get 24 degrees light or 24 degrees darkness on their shortest and longest days. Now, whenever we calculate this, we always need to add a correction of 10 minutes to account for sunset and sunrise. I'm going to keep this handy because we're going to use these rules to calculate this. So my question asks, what are the lengths of the shortest and longest days in Brisbane at latitude 27 degrees south? So I'm going to grab my cheat sheet here. I'm going to copy down the rule that I've got. So for the shortest day, the rule is 8 times cos -1 of 0.4338 times tan of the angle, which is the angle latitude. Now it seems pretty complicated, but you've only got one unknown. The rest your calculator handles. For my question, I can read that my degrees my latitude is 27. So the shortest day is going to be 8 times cos -1 of 0.4338 times tan of 27. And that's what I'll put on my calculator. 8 times, and I'm going to click Shift cos to get that cos -1, 0.4338 times tan of 27, close bracket, enter, and I have 617.8, and that's minutes. To change that into hours, I'm going to divide by 24. So that's going to be, that's wrong, divide by 60. There's 60 minutes in an hour. My mistake. Which is 10.297 hours. Which is 10 hours, and I'm just going to take the 10 hours away and find what that is in minutes. So I'm going to have this minus 10, I'm going to multiply that back by the 60 to get minutes. So that's 17 minutes. And I can do the same, I could take away the whole number, so minus 17 times 60 seconds in a minute. So I have 50.6 seconds. So that's how long my shortest day is. The longest day, our rule is 1440 minus 8 times cos negative 1 of 0.4338 times tan of the angle. Now all of this is simply the shortest day. We've already calculated that. Why do it again? And I can shorten this to 1440 minutes minus 617.8 minutes, and 1440 minus 617.8 equals 822.2 minutes. Divide by 60 gives me 13.703 hours, which is 13 hours minus 13 times 60, 42 minutes and 12 seconds. Both of these need a correction of about 10 minutes, remember? So I'm going to just quickly apply these 10 minutes. So plus 10 minutes correction is 10 hours, 27 minutes, 50.6 seconds, and plus the correction, this is 13 hours, 52 minutes, and 12 seconds. And there's a little bit of difference between these. You might have noticed they're a little bit off. That's just a rounding error. That's fine. So that's how you calculate the lengths of the shortest and longest days using the latitude of a position.